Welcome back to another really exciting video. So today I'm going to give you a free mobile Lightroom preset. So you can edit your Instagram photos with this mobile Lightroom with just single click. So go to the description and download the file.
So just open that link from description and you can see all the preset in Google Drive. So now you have to download all the presets. So just open one image and click on this download icon. So easy to download in Android and iOS version. Right now I'm using iPhone. So and it's a 13 iOS 13 version. So yeah, it's too easy to download any file from this Safari on iOS 13. Anyway, just download all the preset and yeah, it's absolutely free anyway. So now after that, open Lightroom. Now you have to import all the downloaded presets. So go to this icon, just click from files, then iCloud, then downloads. Now you can see all the download file here. Now just select all the presets and click open. That's it. You will get all the preset here. Now you have to convert all these images. These are the DNG images. Now you have to convert all this image into preset. So just open and click on this icon and click create preset. Now if you want to arrange, you can create some groups. So create a new user group and you can name it like, yeah, anyway whatever you want. So I just name it IPC. Now here you can name your preset. So yeah, that's it, you're done. So just do all the just do the same thing for all the preset, all the images. Now let's apply this preset to some images. So I'm searching for images to apply these presets. So anyway, go to the last tab and click on this preset, and here you have to change the user group into IPC because we saved all the file in IPC user group. Now you can just click on these, yeah, what is called, yeah, it's a preset, and you can color grade instantly. It's so easy, and just press OK. That's it. But sometime you have to adjust the lights based on your images. It's all about your light setting. Maybe you have to adjust the contrast, highlights, shadows. Anyway, just adjust the light setting. That's it. So hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos.